Alright guys, I want to show y'all something. Did you know that you can use the ARP to actually play the keys inside of a progression? Let me show you. So, alright, so look, I'm just going to record that, right? Alright, so now say we want to make up a melody for that, right? Let me see, I'm going to go to the next track. What I'm going to do here is press shift, note repeat, and it's going to bring up ARP. Now, like, so what's going on there? The ARP is playing all of the keys that's in that chord. It'll never go out of key. Only going to play the keys that are in that chord. The ARP will always match your progression. All right, so guys, go to thepsychokid.com. Support your boy. I appreciate it. All of you guys. The support enables me to make new kits for you guys. I love y'all. Respect.